Hello, and welcome back to Victory Financial Fitness. I'm your host, Jocelyn Victoria. It is Fresh Start Friday. Welcome. For those of you who are keeping track, yes, I have been away for a short while and getting back on the horse with videos to talk about YNAB. For those of you who are new, YNAB stands for You Need a Budget. It is a powerful financial tool that helps keep your finances in order with a minimal investment of time. If you're interested in trying a completely, totally free 34-day trial of YNAB, please click the link below in the description box. If you find these videos helpful and they're serving you well, please like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. It helps move the channel forward. So just a quick note on a personal note. If I look a little more rested, I am. I had a wonderful opportunity in the last few days to go on a retreat. I have not been able to do that logistically in over 10 years, and not for a lack of trying or wanting to. It just wasn't the right season. So I had more than 24 hours to simply rest, reflect, recharge, and connect with God and with also some other wonderful ladies who were on the retreat with me. So all that to say, if you are able, it doesn't have to be a full-blown retreat, but if you can simply take some time for yourself to allow your mind, your body, and your spirit to rest and recharge, please, if you have any means by which to do that, I encourage you to do that. It's just, like I said, it's been a long while since I've had time set apart like that, and I really am thankful for it. So, Fresh Start Friday, back on the YNAB track. YNAB provides a seamless way where if if your accounts aren't up to date or things are going sideways, or you simply need to start over, uh, use the Fresh Start option. It clears the decks. It allows you to move forward rather than playing catch up. And for YNAB, the goal is to keep the momentum going, to keep up day to day. There's it's very unlikely that you will need or want to historically look at everything you've ever entered in YNAB. I mean, it's possible, but it's not really the point. The point is to keep rolling with your day-to-day expenditures and keep track of your spending plan and keep it on track. And sometimes if things just don't go as planned, or things aren't adding up or lining up, um, sometimes the best choice is not to invest the time in trying to figure out why or how that happened, but simply to start where you are, say, Thursday or whatever the day of the week is. If you have a linked account, it's going to provide the transactions for the day that you make the fresh start along with your balance for that day. If you have unlinked accounts, it's simply going to zero your balance, and you'll need to start with your transactions where you are. My understanding is it does keep your targets in place and in line, so that doesn't get confused. But moving forward with your check register, and for the register for your checking account and your other accounts, start with that daily balance and just move forward. And don't get bogged down in trying to figure out what was the nature of a transaction, a week or 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's counterproductive. It's not the best use of your time. So I'm a big fan of the Fresh Start. Our household takes them as needed. It's that's what it's there for, to keep things moving. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. And so just keep that in mind. If you have any questions about YNAB, please link them in the comments below. If you would like one-on-one coaching and help with YNAB, I'm happy to do that. There's options for that as well. And in the meantime, please remember, that resources tracked diligently stretch further. And please take time each day to make a joyful noise to the Lord. I'll see you next time.